Today we're going to check out 625 Brown. This property is listed for $6,099 and we are in Myerstown, Pennsylvania, which is in Lebanon County. And this property has tons of uses. You can live in it, you can work out of it, you could even have a little AirBnB. We're surrounded by farm country, but we're also in a commercial area. You guys want to go check it out? Come on. In here we have extensive tile work. You can see the cool inlay where you would set your table.
What you watching?
Days of Our Lives. Stefano shot Victor.
Happy holidays. Happy holidays.
You can park your car in here. You can park your RV in here! Oh, hi, I'm just waiting for my nail appointment.
How are the kids? How's the house? How are the dogs?
Oh, everything's great.
Oh, good.
How you been?
I've been good.
Oh, good.
You been selling houses?
I have been selling houses.
You've been selling houses.